Hello, I'm Design Guy. Stick around to learn how to make eye-catching pop-up effects for your Canva projects. Click Create to begin. Select Videos from the menu, then choose Landscape Video as your format. Next, search for the image asset by clicking the image icon or element. In the search bar, type Paris to find relevant images. After selecting a Paris image, click Generate to add it to your video project. This sequence creates a landscape video featuring an image of Paris, setting the foundation for further editing or customization. Next, select this option to proceed. This will ensure you're using the correct setting for the following steps. Click the Add Blank button to insert a new blank slide into your project. Once the blank slide appears, select the Text tool, click on the slide, and type your desired text to add content to the blank area. To change the font, select your text, go to the font options and choose Horizon from the drop-down menu. Next, we'll merge these changes. Now, adjust the font color by selecting the text again. Click on the Font Color button and choose White from the color palette. Confirm your selection. Review your changes to make sure the new font and color have been applied as desired. These steps help you update your text style quickly and maintain a consistent look throughout your project. Click this, then select Set as Background option. Next, add a new element to your project. Locate the Add Element button and click it. After the element appears, select the Generate button to automatically create the content you need. Continue to the next step. Slide this item here to position it precisely within this slide. Ensure that the adjustment only affects this specific slide and does not impact others. This is a map of London. To add an image, locate the desired area and click to insert the image here. Make sure it appears exactly where you want it on the map. Click the image, then select Set as Background. This will apply the image as the new background for your project. Next, let's add another face to the project. Begin by selecting the area where you want the new face to appear. Then, navigate to the media library and choose your preferred food image or video. Import it into your workspace by clicking and dragging it onto the timeline. Adjust the size and position to fit the scene as needed. If necessary, use tools like crop or mask to blend the food media seamlessly with your existing content. Once satisfied with the placement, review the result by playing the timeline to ensure the new face looks natural and integrated effectively. Click Generate. Next, add a new blank slide to your project. Select the image you want to use from your files or library. With the image highlighted, look for the option to set it as a background. Click Set as Background. The image will fill and become the background for your selected slide, ready for customization. To create a new layer, click the New Layer icon in the Layers panel. Name your layer as needed. Make sure the new layer is selected before continuing. This allows you to work on a separate layer without affecting others. Add a new layer to your project. At this stage, you'll notice there is no power ammunition available. To select it, hold down the Shift key and click on the item. Once it's selected, go to the top menu and click the Animate button. This will enable animation options for the selected layer, allowing you to proceed with further adjustments. Add a pop effect to your clip. Next, adjust the speed setting to 0. Now let's add a transition. Choose the circle wipe transition and set its direction to out. For the timing of this transition, enter 0.5 seconds. Once you have applied the transition, select all the relevant pages in your timeline. With all pages selected, set the duration for each page to 1.5 seconds. This ensures that every segment plays at the correct speed and transitions smoothly. Review your settings to confirm that the pop effect, transition, and duration adjustments have all been applied correctly before proceeding to the next step. Set the duration to 1.5 by entering 1.5 in the duration field. Then, select the next item and also change its duration to 1.5. Make sure both durations are set correctly before moving on to the next step. Click the play button to start the video playback. You'll see that's all you need to do to play the content successfully. Now you know how to make awesome pop-up animations in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more quick design tips.